Guys, and welcome to the vlog once again. I am here at OSW again, and we got a free event because 2 events ago I came here and it rained, and you might have remembered it from the vlog 2 vlogs back, and we got rained out throughout half the day, so they gave us a free event, which is great. So we're here taking advantage of that. Everything's totally different now though. They changed the course layout where we're entering on the left side, exiting on the right side. It used to be vice versa. I think it's just something they're trying out just for today, but it's a totally different course layout. I've never done this one here before, so this will be fun. And I now have my chin mounted GoPro, so you can see everything I'm doing in car. You see, what gear I'm in and what I'm doing. So you can see it from my perspective. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Good. There we go. Much better. That is awesome. That is a fun course layout. I love that. That is an awesome course layout. Alright, run number 2. I kind of like this course layout. Just entering on this side is a little weird because this is usually where we exit from, but that's different, and different's good. Yeah, that is a lot of fun. That is awesome. That was good. That was a good run. You can feel, just a total difference with the rear end running a little bit less PSI than I usually do run because there's a lot of sand on the track. So that's great. I love that. That's perfect. So yeah, like 15 is like my magic number for the PSI in the rear. So 15 in the rear, 12 in the front, and it was perfect. That was awesome. I'm just waiting for that hydro. I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna kill it. It's just my first entry. I have to clutch kick it, so I have to clutch in, pedal it down, slap the clutch. So I can't really get my rear end up against the wall, but that'll come with the hydro. And then I gotta put the angle mod for a little bit more angle, but that's great. With the new tire setup I'm running, it's wonderful. That wasn't good. We ran off track. That's what I get for trying to pin the throttle the whole time. I think it's okay though. I'm pretty sure. Maybe. It feels okay. Let's see what damage we did. See, this is the fun part about drifting. You're always breaking your car somehow or some way. Let's see what damage we did. That's good. We're good. Yep, we're fine. Oh, well, other than a bunch of weeds. Well, we mowed their grass. No, we're good though. Huh? What? Yeah. I hit that sand at the last corner and I put the whole rear end in the ditch. I was like, oh God! Send it till it breaks. that was something else. Everything seems to be fine. Yeah, I guess what happened was I was on that last corner and I was trying to pin the throttle. You know, my goal lately for the last couple of weeks has been to increase my speed. So I've been dropping my PSI and I've been trying to pin the throttle a little bit more, be more consistent on the throttle. So to pick up more speed. So I guess on that last corner, that patch of sand that's back there, I guess I just hit it right, and with the throttle pinned, it just kind of threw me all the way out. It happens. It's part of drifting. You have to be prepared to mess something up, but we're lucky. Nothing got messed up, so we're going out again. Here we go. More shallow, definitely more shallow. Perfect. I had to go just a little bit more shallow, and I actually avoided the sand enough where I didn't have to worry about the throttle. So that's definitely how to do it. Just gotta watch for that the sand, a little bit more shallow. It's just the way the course is set up. You tend to go real wide, but I guess that's the reason why they did it like that. Alright, so we're killing out there, we're having a lot of fun. The only thing was, because of the heat, I had to change the tires because we are getting a lot of chunking. I don't know if you can see that too well, but the tires are literally just chunking apart. And this one right here is down to wire. Alright, last run. Just got the net. Gotta kill it on the last one, you know? Killed it. Good last run. That was a lot of fun today. That was a lot of fun. We got good amount of seat time in, so that was fun. Alright, so we are all done here. We got just about everything loaded up. I gotta put the front bumper on, and then we're gonna get out of here. We're all gonna go to Chili's and get some food because we are starving after today. And we did good on tires too. I went through one full set, put a second set on, and it's got plenty of life. So that's good. And we have a whole nother set in the truck. All right, well, we were gonna go to dinner, but Matt's car is having an issue with the throttle body, so we are going to tow it. We're gonna just flat tow it back to the shop. Now, you really don't realize how menacing Adam's car looks until it's behind you. They're so wide, it's taking like pretty much all the lane. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really did enjoy the vlog. It was insane, a lot of fun. It was a shame Matt's car broke down, but you know, we'll fix it. It is what it is. Drift cars break, we fix them, we drift them, we break them again. So, hope you guys again enjoyed the vlog. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.